Samsung devices feature the Samsung Notes app for jotting ideas, but data loss can occur unexpectedly. In this video, we'll explore 4 effective ways to back up your Samsung Notes. Part 1. How to back up Samsung Notes via Share option. Open Samsung Notes. Long press the Notes. Select Save as File. Choose Text, Image, Microsoft, or PDF format. Part 2. How to save Samsung Notes via Samsung Smart Switch. Connect the Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable. If a notification appears on the Samsung phone, click Allow. Open Smart Switch on the computer and select Backup. You'll see all the data categories available for backup. Choose All or select specific apps like Samsung Notes. After selecting the desired apps, click OK. Once the progress bar indicates success, click OK, then to finish. Part 3. How to export Samsung Notes via Samsung Cloud. Old device. Settings Cloud. Samsung Cloud. Toggle Samsung Notes Sync. New device. Install Samsung Notes from Google Play. Open Settings. Import from Samsung Cloud. Select Sync. Part 4. How to back up note files on Samsung using Google Keep. Install Google Keep on your Samsung device. Open Samsung Notes. Access the note. Select Text, Copy. Open Google Keep. Create a new note. Long press Paste. Save. Repeat for other notes. Extra tip: how to back up other Samsung data with one tap. Mobikin Backup Manager for Android ensures seamless backup and restore. With advanced technology, perfect for hassle-free Samsung data backup.